Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this puzzle where 2, 4, 3, 9, 5, question mark, 7 and 4 and we have to find the value of this question mark. Many people fail to solve this because they reached at the answer 25 but already mentioned that the answer is not 25. So let's check out the logic. So what we can see, the first term is 2 and the next is the square of this term, right? 2 square is 4. Now 3 square is 9. So next should be 5 square 25 but already mentioned. But we can see that this not followed in the next step also because after 7 it's 4 but 7 square is 49. So what is the logic? So the next number is the sum, the square, but the number is a singular digit, right? A unit digit. So 7 square is 49. So if I'll add the digit 4 plus 9, I'll get 13. Again, 1 plus 3 is 4. That means they add the digit till they get their answer in unit digit. So what is a 5 square? It's 25 and 2 plus 5 is 7. So what replaces the question mark? 7. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.